Thanks to these college students, an over 30-year-old unsolvable crime has been solved. Texas Police Department decided to partner with the University of Texas at Arlington to hand over some of their cold cases so students could go through them to see if they could find anything investigators may have missed. With only one semester to look through these cases, their expectations were not high. However, they did hand over a case that had over 1,000 documents for the class to go through. This group of college students were not only able to get through this cold case, but they were able to solve it. 25-year-old Cynthia Gonzalez was reported missing in 1991 by her ex-husband, and 5 days later her body was found. With none of these college students even being alive when this cold case happened, they were able to dig into it with an unbiased perspective, and with limited time, they got to work fast, finding that there was one name that kept repeating itself in this case. Janie Perkins, who was supposedly a friend of Cynthia's at the time, however, was saying some very questionable things about Cynthia after her body was found. After bringing all this information to the police department, along with new witness testimony, the police department in Texas has shown up to the University of Texas at Arlington to let the class know they solved the cold case. Thanks to their help, Janie Perkins, now 63 years old, has been arrested. Cynthia's daughter, Jessica, seen to the left of this class picture, got to meet the class who helped solve her mother's crime. Jessica, who was only a toddler at the time when her mother went missing and whose body was found 5 days later, now has answers to a crime that has plagued her entire life.